Hello, my name is Catherine Robar and I'm the founding director of the Themba Development Project here in South Africa. We're working in communities that are struggling with major issues such as Thembalethu here, where we have 60% HIV prevalence, 80% unemployment, as well as issues such as tuberculosis and food insecurity. So let me just show you one of the projects that we're working on. Currently we're here at the Siyazama Community Garden site, which, as you can see, is quite a large project. However, you also notice that they're struggling with issues of water. So this is one of the projects that we're supporting. For the last 4.5 years, this community has been working together to make sure that this project continues. However, they haven't had access to water. So that determination to continue working despite having, the lack of resources has really, that's made us want to help support their project. So as a result, we've been raising funds, and now we're currently installing a wind pump, which is a sustainable green technology that you can see right over here. And once the top piece is put on, it will actually collect wind, and that will lift the water from the well that's below, and then bring it to this reservoir here, which will collect the water, and then be piped back in to the community garden. And we're hoping that in just a couple months, this entire area will be flourishing with vegetables, which is very important in an area that's struggling with so much unemployment and other issues. So we're reaching out to everybody around the world. We're looking for partners who will help fund some of our projects, both here as well as in another village called Nqiningana. We're looking for people who can support our projects on a monthly basis, to sign up for monthly donor programs. It doesn't really take a lot of money to help us, but what we're really needing at this point is a sustainable source of funding. So even if someone is able to donate 30 euros, 100 euros a month, that will make a big difference to us. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Our website is www.thembaproject.org, THEMBAPROJECT.org. Thank you so much, and I look forward to speaking with you.